Okay students, now we are going to discuss the additional practice sums based on exponent and power to find the value. So here first question is, find the value of 3 raised to minus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3 raised to minus 5. How to solve the exponent with negative power? Our sums based on exponent with negative power. So we can convert this negative power into positive power by taking the reciprocal of the base of power. Done? So here base is 3. So its reciprocal is 1 upon 3. So it's a 1 upon 3 whole raised to. Now this negative power is converted into positive power multiplied by. Again negative power is there, so you have to take the reciprocal of this 1 upon 3. Reciprocal of 1 upon 3 is 3. So now this negative power is converted into positive power. Clear students? Yes, very good. It's a 1 cube upon 3 cube. So it's a 1 upon 3 cube multiplied by 3 raised to 5. So two powers are there, 3 raised to 5 and 3 raised to 3. Base are equal. They are in division, so we can perform the subtraction of power in numerator as the power of numerator is greater than power of denominator. So students, this will be 3 raised to 5 minus 3. So 3 raised to 5 minus 3 is 3 square, which is equal to 9 is the answer. Done? Very good. So now next question number 2. Here we are given that 27 upon 8 raised to 2 divided by 2 by 3 raised to minus 6. How to solve this question? So here, to apply the laws of exponent, we require the base of powers in same format. So here 27, 8 is there, 2n is there. So here we can convert this 27 into the power with base 3 and this 8 into power form with base 2. How? 27 is nothing but the 3 cube 27. 8 which is 2 cube raised to whole raised to 2 divided by negative power. So you have to take the reciprocal of this base. Reciprocal means numerator will go into denominator, denominator will go into numerator. So it will be 3 by 2 raised to 6. Done? Now here it's a power of division, so we can take this to power at 3 cube. So 3 cube raised to 2 upon 2 cube raised to 2 divided by 3 raised to 6 upon 2 raised to 6. This one is 3 raised to 6 upon this one is 2 raised to 6 divided by 3 raised to 6, 2 raised to 6. Both numerator and denominator are equal. और आंसर इज 1. डन? अभी भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो फिर से वीडियो रिवाइंड करो और चेक करो, है ना. ये अच्छी फैसिलिटी आप लोगों के पास. कहीं पर भी आप लोगों को कुछ स्टेप नहीं समझ में आते हैं, वीडियो को तुरंत ही पॉज कीजिए, रिवाइंड कीजिए और फिर से वीडियो को व्यू कीजिए. सो डाउट्स विल बी क्लियर. डन? और आप अपनी वीडियो की जो स्पीड है ना, प्लेइंग स्पीड, उसको भी आप चेंज कर सकते हो. तो वो ऑप्शन भी आप यूट्यूब के अंदर चेंज कर सकते हो. सो यूज दैट ऑप्शंस ऑल्सो. 6 raised to 4 multiply by 1 by 2 raised to 2 divided by 1 by 3 raised to minus 3, है ना. तो देखो यहाँ पर 6, 2 and 3 है. So we can convert this 6 into 2 and 3. So 2, 3 is 6 is there. Power is 4. Multiply by 1 upon 2 square divided by negative power converted into positive power by taking the reciprocal of this. So this will be equal to 2 raised to 4, and it's the power of multiplication. Multiply by 3 raised to 4 upon 2 square divide by, so डिवीजन में आएगा 3 cube. Done. So here now division of two powers, so it's a 2 raised to 4 minus 2 multiply by 3 raised to 4 minus 3. 2 raised to 4 minus 2 is 2 square, and 3 raised to 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 square is 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12 is the answer. 12 is the answer. Clear, students? So now question number 4. Here it is given 8 raised to minus 6 multiply by 16 raised to 4 divided by 4 raised to minus 3. So now first we will try to make the base of all the exponent form equal. So 8, 16 and 4 can be written in the form of power with base 2. So 8 is 2 cube raised to minus 6 multiply by 16 is 2 raised to 4 raised to 4 divided by 4 is 2 square raised to minus 3. So this one is 2 raised to minus 18. This one is 2 raised to 16 divided by this one is 2 raised to minus 6. So this one is 2 raised to minus 18. So it is converted into positive power by taking numerator as a denominator. है ना, न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर में लिख दिया. So it's a positive power 2 raised to 18 multiply by this one is 2 raised to 16 डिवाइड बाय 2 रेज टू माइनस 6 और 2 रेज टू माइनस 6 ऊपर जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा, है ना. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में लिखते हो. चलो पूरा खाना एक साथ में नहीं खाना है. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 रेज टू 16 इंटू 2 रेज टू 6. सो इट्स 16 प्लस 6 22 अपॉन 2 रेज टू 18. सो नाउ पावर ऑफ 2 powers in division, subtraction 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16 is the answer. Done. Now question number 5. So here in the fifth question we are given that 12 raised to minus 2 multiply by 10 raised to minus 2 divide by 30 raised to minus 3. So here we have to write this 12, 10 and 30 in terms of 2, 4, 5. देखते हैं कैसे. So 12 can be written as 4 3s are 12. 2 into 2, 2 square into 3. 12 is 2 square into 3 minus 2, है ना. वेरीफाई करो. 2 square 4 3s are 12. This 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 30. 6 5s are, or you can say 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5 raised to minus 3. Done. So this is equal to power of multiplication. So powers are 2 raised to डिनोमिनेटर में लो तो भी हो जाएगा. पॉजिटिव करो उसके बाद मल्टीप्लाई करो. कर ही दो मल्टीप्लाई. चलो 2 रेज टू माइनस 4, 3 रेज टू माइनस 2, 2 रेज टू माइनस 2, 5 रेज टू माइनस 2 डिवाइड बाय डिवीजन में 2 रेज टू माइनस 3, 3 रेज टू माइनस 3, 5 रेज टू माइनस 3. डन. डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर में ले जाओ, पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर में लाओ, वो सब टर्म्स पॉजिटिव हो जाएंगे. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू, ये सारे पॉजिटिव लिखना है. 2 क्यूब, 3 क्यूब, 5 क्यूब अपॉन, है ना. डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर में गया तो ये सारे नेगेटिव पावर पॉजिटिव. ये न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा तो ये सारे नेगेटिव पावर पॉजिटिव. 2 रेज टू 4, 3 square, 2 square, 5 square. Simplification. This is 2 cube. Now here 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 2. So it's a 2 raised to 6 into 3 cube upon this one is 3 square into this one is 5 cube upon 5 square. So 1 3 will be left, 1 5 will be left. So 5 3s are 15, and here 2 raised to 3 will be left. So it's 8 is the answer. Clear? Next question, question number 6. So here it's a 2 raised to minus 3 multiply by 4 raised to 5 multiply by 8 raised to minus 3 is given. Simplify this. So this is equal to 2 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to minus 3 as it is. 4 को लिखेंगे 2 square raised to 5 into 8 which is 2 cube raised to minus 3. Done. 2 को ऐसे रहने दिया, 4 को लिखा 2 square, 8 is 2 cube. Now power of power, perform multiplication. So it's a 2 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to 2 raised to 5, power of power multiplication 10 multiply by 2 raised to minus 9. Now take this negative power into division. So it's a 2 raised to 10 upon 2 cube into 2 raised to 9. So again these two powers are in multiplication with the same base. Perform the addition of these two powers. Very good students. It's a 2 raised to 12 है ना. अभी तो आ जाएगा सब. 2 raised to 10 upon 2 raised to 12. सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है, डिवीजन में करना है. It's a 1 upon 2 square which is equal to 1 by 4 is the answer. Clear students? So try these sums by yourself and let me give some extra sums for the homework. Done? So pause the video and note it down. Now this question number 7, 8, 9 and 10 that you have to do in your homework. Question number 7 is 10 square divided by 6 square and whole divided by 5 by 3 whole square. So convert this 10 6 into 2 3 and 5 and this 6 into 2 and 3 and simplify this. Again question number 8, 8 raised to minus 2 multiplied by 12 raised to 4 divided by 9 raised to 4. So you can convert this 8 as a 2 cube, this one as a 2 square into 3, this one is a 3 square and simplify it. ये तो इजी है, इसको कन्वर्ट करो 2 स्क्वायर में, पावर फॉर अप्लाई करो, सिंप्लीफाई करो. दिस वन 2 by 3 again 4 by 9 is converted into 2 square in 3 square. This 4 by 9 is again 2 square in 3 square and simplify it. So try these 4 sums in your homework and comment your answer in our comment box. Clear students? So now again pause the video, share this video with your friends. Thank you.